Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be kind of a double kit share, but I also wanted to make this specific video because I think that you guys might be interested in this video series that I'm going to be a guest YouTuber on, and it's a collaboration with Cara Brandon and DearJulieJulie. If you don't know them, I will have their YouTube channels listed below. So basically, they both created a spring kit. This is Cara's and this is Julie's. They have 7 pages, and starting on March 20th, there will be a video, or I think there might be more than one video, I'm not exactly sure. There's a bunch of other people that are involved in this collaboration, so I'll have Cara Brandon's video down below. She explains it much better than I will, but essentially on day 1 of the collab starting March 20th, there will be video shares up using the day 1 kit from Cara's and the day 1 page, sorry, not kit, the day 1 page from Julie's kits. And so basically, like, if I were the one who was doing the day 1 video, I would create something with these 2 pages right here, and it kind of gets your creative juices flowing because you can figure out how to use these together in whatever way you want. And then on day 2 of the collab, there will be videos up showcasing these 2. So I'll go through these whole kits in just a moment. I want to make sure there's nothing else that I forget to mention. Also, if you are interested in either of these kits, they will be 50% off now through March 19th. They're very affordable kits and they are just gorgeous. And I gotta say, guys, I am so happy that I started using this presentation paper, and I'm just in love with my new printer. Also, it's the HP Envy 6055. Also, if you're really into digitals and things, you should definitely join both their Facebook groups because they're very, very active in their groups. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm going to go ahead and now do a flip through of each kit. So this is starting with Cara Brandon's. I believe each of the kits is actually called 7 Days of Spring in their Etsy shop, but I'll just have the links below directly to the kits. So page 1, you can use this, as a journaling page, or you can cut it apart and do some type of collaging. Really pretty. I love the tag, and I feel like normally I would just cut out a tag and use it, but since you have all of these pieces, it would be really fun to make a decorated tag. Now, of course, for the videos that you will see, if you're going to be watching, you will see what you'll see is, if you're watching day 4, you're going to see whichever YouTube channel be using the day 4 from Cara's kit and day 4 from Julie's kit together to create something. And so that's going to be really fun. And I feel like it just sounded like I said Carrie, but I said Cara. Journaling cards and lots of fun little pieces there. And then you have some more ephemera pieces. Love the florals so much. And I'm so glad she included labels because I love using labels in like my journals. Let's go ahead now and look through Julie's kit. Gorgeous. Love the tones on this one. You've got an envelope, but of course you can cut it apart and use it kind of however you want. The colors. They did so good at making the colors like go together. I'm assuming since this is a collaboration between them that they like talked and like made sure their kits went together, I would assume, because if not, that was just magic. Love this so much. Really pretty. You have like a little file card, or file folder, I should say. A nice big piece here. And then you have this one right here for the last page in Julie's kit. So I'm really excited to be a part of this. I'm so appreciative that both of them asked me to be a part of the collaboration videos, and I think that I'm going to try to participate more than one day. I don't know which day yet, so just stay tuned, be subscribed to my channel, and you'll see my video up on my channel. But of course, if you want to see what other people are doing with the kits, follow Cara and Julie. They should be having like a list somewhere, especially probably in their Facebook groups, where you can see whose videos are on what days. I'm already thinking, I have like this blank library card, and I'm already thinking that I want to work with like one of the days and do like a really fun collaging onto a library card. Just a random idea, but stick around if you want to see what I decide to make with their kits and how I incorporate them together. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget, these kits are 50% off until March 19th, and I think I'll have all the links down there. So I will see you guys later. Bye.